ceiling. Pout. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly come back. Do you feel a stretch here?
Very much.
Yes.
Am I looking pretty? Am I looking my skin is glowing? Well, that's the secret of face yoga. And we have Savit Singh with us who's going to teach us how, in very short and simple way, you can make your skin glow. And apart from that, kitna young aap dekh sakte hain. So Savitu, over to you. And I really want to know what all the tips are.
Thank you so much. I would love to share with all of you. All people practice yoga, but very few know about face yoga. So I would say that face yoga is basically exercising your facial muscles. As you exercise your body, your face has 40 plus facial muscles which people don't exercise. Now all those muscles, when you exercise them, the muscle is here, the skin is here, okay? So when you exercise the muscle, the skin on top automatically tightens up. And you get those beautiful, tightening anti-aging benefits. So anybody who wants to have a naturally good-looking face with no wrinkles or reduced wrinkles, reduced pigmentation, they want to have a clear skin, they want to have a beautiful, natural, radiant skin, then I would say exercise your face because there's nothing healthier than that. Like in face yoga, you have a lot of techniques. So, we basically tell people to start with massages. Okay, so we tell people that, okay, ye oil le lo. So you have to take a particular oil, like you can go for rosehip oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, all of that. And you take a good oil, okay? And then there are a couple of massage techniques for each part of the face. So you'll start with the forehead, then you will relax your eyebrows. Then you will move on to the eye. You will do a couple of massages, for the eye. You'll do cheek lifting, you will do a lot of jawline, so all of that. So you massage. And then there are exercises to strengthen the muscles. But trust me, sab kuch, like, people say skin droop ho rahi hai, and, we feel acne, like, she was telling me that she has active acne. So, jo bhi cheezein hai, because aap exercise kar rahe ho, it's going to be healthy. So, aapka skin barrier repair hoga, and you're going to have, a healthier skin. See, yoga, I would say, is the best thing. I've been practicing yoga for the last 6 years, and I'm a hardcore yoga person, and I do like twice a week, I do around 100 Surya Namaskars, and I love it. Now, what yoga does is that yoga really says that, okay, breathe well. Because for face yoga also, if, I'm in stress and tension, and, I'm thinking of 100 things, and doing the jaw massages, it's not going to help. So yoga teaches you to, pranayam, how to breathe well, how to do your Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom. So once your mind is centered, once you're relaxed, the results are better. You automatically start glowing. I think yoga, anybody can do. Like, I have my daughter, she's 11. Her friends have started at the age of 11. So, and you can go up till any age. Face yoga, I've had clients. I've had this girl who was 12 years, okay? She was very conscious about the uneven skin tone around her mouth. And she used to always tell her mother that my friends, keep telling me, ki, what is this? Get yourself treated. And she used to, say ki mujhe school nahi jana. So her mother said ki aap kuch bhi karo, just try and, do something about that. And there are a lot of uneven skin tone exercises. There are a lot of massages. So we taught her. And obviously she was pretty young, and us time pe the repair is faster. So she got very good results in about 3 months, and she was able to remove that uneven skin tone. So yeah, like you can start pretty young also. I would say I'm going to share 3 tips with all of you. I would say sabse pehle do good skincare. So do your CTM routine, wash your face, do a toner, serum, moisturizer, all of that, because you need to hydrate your skin well. Okay. Second, do lots of massages. Get some nice oil. Massage your skin really well, include a lot of blood flow. So usse glow aa jayega. And lastly, I would say that protect your skin with sunscreen, because a lot of times we do all of that and hum protect nahi karte. So again, our skin goes through pollution and environmental stress. So I think aap itna karo and have lots of water, sleep well, and do this exercise. So fill your mouth with air. And tap your cheeks. So, suddenly the cheeks start getting red. There's a blood flow. So you can do that, like do the tapping for about 30 times. And then after the tapping, just go and, do your thing, whatever you're doing.